So this is a Kyosho Inferno NEO 2.0 that was found in a bin. The stepdad works for the park. Someone had literally just dumped this as it is. It's in pretty good condition. No damage on the shell at all. Engine even pulls over. Can't really do it here with one hand, but you get the point. Now, apart from the obvious signs of rust on drive shafts, things like that, it's obviously got a bit wet at some point. I can't see any damage at all. Even the drive cups, really good condition. So it gave me a brilliant idea. This buggy is going to get the best treatment it deserves. It's going to get new wheels, probably a new engine. I'll give it a go. Not too keen on these engines. I've actually had two blow up myself. In fact, on my keys is a keyring, a piston and rod from one of these engines, so not a fan. Even the chassis hasn't got much wear on it at all. It's got the usual little nicks from the diff bulges where the diff sits. No chunks taken out of the arms. Stick around, it's going to be a good one.
Okay, I've started stripping and using foam cleaner to clean all the dirt and grease off. It's all come out really nice and clean, almost as new. Bit of WD-40 on the shafts, hubs and all the threadwork. The cylinder looks okay and sleeve not too bad. The crank is disgusting but nothing a Dremel won't fix. Block bearings are gunked up but I'll clean them up, they'll work. All back together, all bearings are really good, especially the clutch ones. I threw in a new receiver and cheap 25kg servos, along with a new glow plug and different shock oils, onto brand new fugitives. With the last jobs done, the project was finished.
Okay, so here we are, let's give it its first test. We've got some Optimix race fuel, 25%. Let's see if it starts. Give it a little cry. Okay, found in a bin, first rebuild. Is it going to start?
Two hours later.
Okay, so it's running. Didn't quite catch it on film because, as you can imagine, typical nitro woes, it didn't start for ages, but yeah, got it running, just letting it warm up. A little bit rich at the minute. There we go. Let's give it a ring. Hasn't got much top speed with the hooves on. Or grip.
Well, what can I say? I love it. One man's trash is another man's treasures. Thanks for watching.